3, 2, action. Ready? Yeah. Welcome to another video. This is AzooL from AzooL channel. So we're not going to talk so much. Let's get to the point. Today we came here to pick up our car. So this is the car. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the camera to my friend and he will explain you what exactly the car is.
Welcome back, guys.
Yeah, let's do.
Long time. How many? 2 years? 1 year?
Maybe 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, we bought a Mitsubishi Evolution 2006.
Okay.
Okay. It's a manual transmission. There's some issue.
Okay.
This all will get fixed up.
Okay, let's get to the point. This car you purchased by yourself from USA and it takes like 45 days to arrive, right?
Right.
And today is the day to pick up the car.
Yeah. I think they changed the muffler even, right?
I can see, yeah. The exhaust changed, but we're not sure. Is it the complete system or only the head? It looks so amazing, you know. At the same time, the car is not too big, you know.
The car is
It's the best for the drifting, you know.
perfect. No drifting we can't, I think. It's 4 wheels.
Okay, I mean for the rally, you know, for like sand.
Oh, off-roading.
Yeah, off-roading.
Oh. Good for me.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Okay, so now we're going
Okay.
to get home. Then
So the plan is we're not gonna take to the garage.
no, this time we'll take it home.
Okay. Sound good. Because normally when all the time or anytime, so normally anytime you're trying to fix any car on the garage, the thing is the garage people, they want to finish as soon as possible.
Yeah, so
it's
we want
so
to
hard
make...
for us to make a video and explain how we're gonna fix it. But do you think we're gonna survive? We can manage to fix the car?
We can. Okay, we can.
We can't.
We'll try.
Okay, we'll try.
We'll try our best.
So be positive as well, Samir. But we'll try our best. What we can do, we'll try our best.
Good.
If not, after that, we'll find a garage for the people who's like more professional of this car. We'll tell them to fix for us. But I think for starting, we can open the parts what we need. We can make our list,
Yes.
and of course, the best thing we can inside like clean from inside as well.
We will.
We have to do.
If we keep it in garage, they'll not clean it from inside. They'll not do anything.
Yeah,
So we have to do it.
good. Okay, so right now the car is loaded to the recovery and my friend just giving the location for his home. Yeah, this car we're gonna take to our home and fix by ourselves. Samir, I'm so excited. At the same time, I'm a little bit like confused. Do you think we can manage to fix the car by ourselves?
We will, inshallah. No, we'll try our best.
We'll try our best, yeah.
We'll try our best.
So we'll say goodbye now for the car. We'll go and, of course, we need to go early as them to like prepare to unload it. Yeah. So we're gonna go. Yeah, let's go.
Okay, guys. So
Samir, louder. The camera doesn't support too much microphone.
So welcome to the new car. No, welcome home.
Welcome home. So actually we reached like 5 minutes early. Now the car reached. So we're gonna just tell him how to do the parking. So we'll put the car exactly on this area. Okay, so right now it's time for us to check the car. We'll see what parts, normally we get a lot of parts from the old stuff from inside as well. So let's see what we find from inside of this car. I think we already saw the front bumpers there. That's help us so much, even for the repair itself, because it's easy. It's not easy to find the bumper as well. And of course we save so much on the cost as well. Yeah. So try to help me from that side. It's kind of heavy, Samir,
Yeah.
But all model is good. There's no any parking sign, nothing. I can see this is like plastic or carbon fiber. Yeah, it's plastic, but it's kind of very heavy, you know, heavy duty.
Good quality.
So the only thing we find the bumper, and there's also the front grille, or there's no coming grille on it.
No, no.
Okay, so this is the old face, and we have small lips as well, the spoiler. And let's check more from inside. Do you think we can find anything else? I think I find small cover as well. That's for the filter, air filter. So this is the inside. It had some mold, but this is actually, it's so easy to clean. We tried to clean from the front. It was so easy. We need like small like dress and just spray a little water. That's all I think, yeah. We already managed to clean a little bit from the front. Yeah, it looks good. And except that, from inside, this kind of car is good. You know, there's no too much technology. There's only 2 airbags, you know, no side airbag, no. So we have the steering airbag, we have the dashboard airbag, that's all. And we have the 6-speed manual transmission, yeah.
It's 6? 5 speed.
It's 5? Okay, there's a reverse, okay. So it's 5 manual, yeah. What else? Do you want to open the trunk as well?
Stick.
And now I just remember that back spoiler remind me in which car? Subaru. Especially in this color, there's a lot of famous Subaru. They have this like
Same shape.
yeah. But do you think this is from the factory or like aftermarket? Factory. Okay. Maybe because this is 2006, it have like limited edition. That's why the spoiler came. So from here we don't find anything like useful. All the junks is here. We have like carpets. We have the small jug. Nothing else. Yeah.
We have to clean everything.
Do you think we have spare?
Yeah.
It comes with the spare as well. Yeah, that's a good one.
The
Okay.
new car, they cancelled the spare tires.
Yeah.
Oh, Hassan.
What we have?
We got something.
Okay, it's not something
Wow.
valuable. No. I think the guy was like swimming guy. You know, it's I like thing about the old cars. You know, I think even new they have all like stickers. You can see from here.
Yeah.
So this is a part number from the VIN number. I mean the chassis.
Yeah.
So this is made for this car. You're looking to get some like money or cash or gold.
Maybe.
But I think, you know, this car, like maybe at least I can guarantee you 2 people are already looking for it. From USA when they import it, they put on the container, first guy, and the second I think unloaded. Those people also already check.
Yeah.
So you have to be so much lucky to find, if you find anything. Yeah. Okay, let's take a 360 if you notice something else about the car. From the back it looks good, from the doors absolutely good, from the right side fender also good, no issue. The only thing I noticed was the front windshield. It have, see, normally it had crack on the side because of the bonnet get open, but this one no, in the middle, but I cannot see there's any pressure on it or no, but you have small crack. But we are lucky because the same car, the Lancer normal, all the same, so not cost us so much. The only expensive thing, we should figure out what we have to, like how we can find the parts, the front parts. So we have some radiator condenser, we have the radiator support as well, we have the bonnet, but I think kind of good because most of the importing like mechanic thing, the engine stuff, maybe the engine molding, or I think they are good.
All good.
Yeah. For the headlight, we have to arrange it. We have 2 problem. Right side, first we thought
the one headlight.
okay, we have the left side. For right side we thought we can fix it, but we cannot. We have to change that as well.
So we need the radiator support,
Okay,
condenser, the fan, we need the cooler.
the cooler's kind of big, you know. At first I thought maybe this area, but no, it comes till here, you know. That's really big cooling.
And we need this, what they call it,
The support,
support.
the bumper support, I think we can fix that as well. I'm not sure about that.
Like small mini parts we need.
Yeah.
Like this kind of.
But once we open the main part, like the front face, like radiator condenser support, then we'll see if there's any like major problem on the engine or no. But
Right.
sign good. We already find the front bumper on it. We'll try our best to see how we can fix that, because those bumper, first of all, it's not easy to find, and the second, if we find also, it will be out of country, you know.
Yeah.
The cost to ship it, that will be so much. That's I think the aerial, yeah.
Yeah.
I like about these cars, you know, the classic, all of them they have the aerial,
Yeah.
but it have the itself. Okay, so they have like 2. Maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, so this is the car 360. So guys, thank you so much for watching. to the end. So follow us with this journey, guys. We're gonna fix this car properly till to the end. Of course, when we're gonna show you once it's already done, then we're gonna give you, hope so, we're gonna give you the numbers, how much we bought this car and how much it costs us to fix it as well. So you want to say anything? We're gonna end the video right now.
Enjoy our video.
Enjoy our videos. So guys, please make sure to like help us and comment, like give us some motivation as well. We're trying our best to show you how our lifestyle start from here, how we're going fixing the car, how we're making money. And yeah, hope so we'll try to also teach you something if you want to learn something about the car business.
Ask for anything.
Yeah. Thanks so much and goodbye.
Yalla, bye.